So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-back length hair. The stylist braids the hair up. Chops the hair. Does a nice chic blunt bob. Now I'm guessing the hair is definitely going to be donated. Such a nice hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone making a major hair change. Looks like she's doing a buzz cut here. Shaving off all of her hair. Beautiful. She definitely has the face to pull off this look. She looks absolutely stunning. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have the very popular curly pixie style that we're seeing circulating around. This is also known as the tapered haircut. Very nice. This one features a design going there on the side. Her hair looks absolutely amazing. Very pretty. Here we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Looks like she's going quite short for this hair change. The hair is placed in 2 ponytails. The stylist begins to cut. Wow, what a beautiful pixie hair change. Amazing. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with a pixie. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. I love her salt and pepper hair color. The stylist did an amazing shape and texture with the cutting. Beautiful. And then here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. Oh, he's doing some color for this one as well. More cutting into this chic bob style. Wow. Absolutely stunning, and I love the dimensional color. Looks like we have a beautiful bob haircut for the last transformation. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Wow, she looks absolutely stunning. Beautiful color. Very nice.